Hello, you're watching Prime Tech Solutions. Here we have Acer e5-471G for maintenance. We are going to clean the internal part of this, and we are also going to format and reprogram it. But before that, let's watch this. This part of laptop maintenance is crucial. Majority of major hardware issues occur when this maintenance is ignored. In this laptop, we will see that the fan is covered with dust. If dust accumulate here, and also here, just like this one, it cannot cool down this heatsink. Then it will cause overheating and will damage these chips or some other components of the laptop, which will result to serious problems. Aside from cleaning the dust from the exhaust, we also need to check the thermal paste beneath this heatsink, and if it is dry, like this one, it's already dry, we need to clean it and replace it with a new one. The thermal paste is very useful. The use of that is to transfer the heat from the chip faster to the heatsink. In my experience and observation, this thermal paste dries up for probably about 2 or 3 years. That would be depending on how often you use your computer and what applications are you using. For desktop, some says that you need to clean them at least every 6 months. For some, it's once a year. For laptops, probably around 2 to 3 years. So if you've been using your laptop for 2 or more than 3 years already and you haven't had it maintained or cleaned, so I suggest that you bring it to a technician and have it cleaned. It's better to spend a few hundreds through cleaning than spending thousands when your computer is already destroyed. Okay, cleaning is done. So right now what we are doing is installing the operating system. And this would take like 30 minutes, around 30 minutes or more. And a few more minutes to install the other programs. So basically around 1 hour, more than an hour to install the operating system and the other programs. So if you are experiencing a sudden shutting down of your laptop and laging na siyang naghahang like that, and you also notice beneath your laptop that it's too hot, it's not normal anymore, then I suggest that have your laptop cleaned already. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe and also the notification bell so that you will be notified when we have new videos. And if you have any video requests, just comment below and we will do our best to do it. Thank you very much. Bye.